Hey YouTube, I've always used those coiled air hoses, the sort, they're a bit like a spring and you can pull them out and they spring back to something reasonably small. Anyway, I stepped back onto one the other day and it must have been getting a bit old and brittle because it just exploded. So it needs replacing, and I went down to Bunnings to have a look and see what I could get, and these are on special, so I thought I'd pick up one of them and give it a go. So let's have a look at it.
Hey YouTube, I did a bit of an impulse purchase today. I was down in Bunnings and I do want a replacement air hose, but I hadn't intended to buy one of these. They had a 9-metre hose, same brand, for $82. They had a 30-metre hose for $233 and had a 20-metre retractable hose on special for $99. Reading the outside of the box, I couldn't see any real difference between the quality of the hoses. So I got this one, $99. Retractable air hose, 20 metres worth. That's going to cover most of my shed with one hose. No idea what that's for. Will become apparent, one would hope. Quick check of the box. Nothing more in there. 1/4 inch BSP fittings on each end, so obviously I need to put my own quick attach fittings on there. 180-degree wall mount swivel. That's what this pipe's for. That'll be the wall mount bracket, and that'll be the pin. Goes through to swivel it around. They even give you some dynabolts with it, and a big old arc clip to hold it together. So I can mount that up on the wall. Probably about, what's that about? Close to 2 metres of hose to go to the compressor end. And then 20 metres of retractable hose to get yourself all around the shed. That should be ideal for what I need. And way better than what I've been doing with those coiled hoses, which get all over the floor and you trip over them and what have you. Now I've got a retractable hose to trip over. We'll set that up in the shed and see how it looks after it's set up on the wall. I'll finish the video then. This is a bracket to mount the retractable compressed air hose on the wall with. I've just got this scrap piece of metal. It is way overkill, way too thick for the job, but it happens to be the right size, so I'm going to make use of it. Just going to mark the holes where this goes, and I'll drill a couple more to bolt it onto the frame of the shed somewhere, and we're in business. 30 each side puts that out to the centre. The marks down there, just so I can get it back without measuring again. And I'll go grab a punch to mark where the holes are. Just tidied up after the last job and put all the punches away, now I need them again.
Wow, just looking at it as I edit this video, that piece of scrap steel that I picked up is just way thick for this job. No way would I have bought that for it if I didn't have it laying around.
Yeah, I just got to drill 4 more holes in this to bolt it onto the shed with. There's 4 of the same size, should do the trick. Alright, here we go. Plenty of holes there to mount this on with now. Just got to find some bolts.
Now, this probably would have been better if I had bolted it to one of the verticals, but the hose is very light, so I'm pretty confident that bolting it to the horizontal is going to be fine. The other reason being that where it is, the hose will reach most of the shed, which wouldn't be the case had I bolted one of the verticals.
There we go, all mounted up. I'll run the hose and get that all connected. I don't have to have the thing dragging around the floor all the time now.
Well, that's it, a 20-metre retractable air hose mounted on the wall of my shed. It should reach the majority of the shed from where it is. The only thing that I can see going wrong is if the retraction mechanism doesn't stand up to the test of time, but that remains to be seen. At the moment, I'd say it's recommended, and it was on a really, really good special. Anyway, if you'd like to see more of my projects and reviews, you can go to my channel or browse to my website. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click like, comment and subscribe for more. Until next time.